Well, the real question is, think we can take it outside and see if we can get it started? I am here in central Mississippi. Behind me, we've got a sweet, awesome T6, and if we can get it fired up, might have to make them an offer to see if we can't get a package deal on a couple of unbelievably cool airplanes. The first one, a MiG-15. Come on. And this T6 here. So let's go in, check them out, see if we can get it fired up, and maybe, just maybe, we might have to throw an offer. Oh, how cool is that? For the 1 or 2 people watching that are not familiar with what a T6 is, this is painted right now as the German Luftwaffe type paint scheme, but this is actually an American trainer airplane that they used a lot during World War II. These were the ones on the aircraft carriers and the training in Alabama and all over the place, Hawaii, I mean, you name it, this airplane was there. How long have you guys had it? What was this used?
This was an Air Force trainer.
I don't know if you remember Kent Hull, who played football for the Buffalo Bills. He's from here. So we flew his dad down there to the ball game, and then we dropped him off in Birmingham and saw the airplane. 2 weeks later, one came up for sale.
He actually flew it up in the semi-far rain and all that, and then got above clouds. And then when he landed, both the brakes were frozen.
Ah.
No, the left one was frozen.
So what engine is on this? Is this the 1340?
The Pratt 1340.
And how many horsepower?
600.
600 horsepower, 9-cylinder, like a 540's 540 cubic inch. This is 1,340 cubic inches. Get you some of that. So you in the comments, let us know which guns came on this airplane that would have been right here. It's decked out in this German Luftwaffe decoration.
Adolf Galan.
Adolf Galan
was Germany's best fighter pilot in World War II.
And this is based off of his.
That's the way that he painted. That's the way he had his airplane painted with the squad, and that was his squadron and all that. They all went with the yellow high vis rudder wingtips and cowls.
Gotcha.
So that they could be seen.
Yeah, and then at all the air shows that you went to, you guys would play the bad guy and any of the dogfight type stuff and that kind of thing. And when was the last time this one was started?
3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago, yeah.
Okay, oh that's right, because that other guy was looking at it. Now before that, 2 or 3 weeks ago.
I've been trying to crack this one about every 6 to 8 months.
You know, a couple times a year, once, twice a year, whatever. That is a gigantic battery.
Yep. You don't pick one up, there's one on that dolly, you'll see what it weighs. See that battery on that dolly right there? See if you can pick it up.
Yeah, don't move the dolly though. Don't hit that wing. Try to pick that thing up. Ready? Lift with your back, not with your knees. Go.
You're telling him backwards, Daddy. You lift with your legs, not your back. That don't weigh but about 90 pounds.
That's as much as you weigh, isn't it?
Yeah. Sheesh.
There you go. Show me the fuel pump over there, the diaphragm or the veins or whatever it was.
Yeah, I don't have my.
Oh, it's down there. It's right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, there you go.
That's it.
Yeah, you see the nuts
And then these old vent lines were all jacked up.
Yeah, those are toast. And those are just the vent line?
Yeah, that's all that is, the vent lines. Just the overflows. Baggage compartment.
Hey, look at that! Carry-on items must fit in this.
Limited.
Is this the only baggage compartment?
Yes.
That's it, huh?
Okay. Do not grab the handle that says landing
I'm going
gear.
to show him.
Because it will fold up on the ground.
Now, turn around.
Like this?
Step on the step.
With this leg?
Yep. And then step in the
Step
middle
in
of
the
the
middle.
seat.
Step in the middle with your left foot.
In the seat?
Yep.
Middle of the seat.
Okay.
Now go
Now
on
bring
in.
the other one on in there and turn around, sit down.
Okay, where's this handle you're telling me not to grab? Boy, your knee really could just knock that sucker, huh?
Push it
This is roomy in here. All right. Good Lord, this is just got our little DG up here. We got our wet compass air, got our engine, air, normal standard 6-pack in the standard configuration. That's nice. So right there's 6-pack, and you got your instrument gauges here.
This got everything.
This is mic for your mic. What's the front one trigger for?
I don't remember. He's even got
Oh, we got more
Yeah,
switches up here.
I would have to get to looking. I don't remember.
It's like his trumpet. Intentional spins prohibited, but the accidental ones are okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what's in that book.
Because I guess this should be a fully acrobatic airplane. Does it have a pressure carb on it?
Yes.
Well, let's take a look at the back.
That.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Turn and slip, attitude, airspeed. That's
There's everything.
really all you need.
Right. That's pretty much how it came.
Yeah. Well, the real question is, think we can take it outside and see if we can get it started? There you go. Can I get a clear prop? Clear.
Turn it.
Crank it up. Where? Well, my question is, could you hear it?
Huh? It runs.
It runs. It fired up.
It was a little more adventurous to crank up than the other one.
Yeah. This.
Mags are off. Master's off. Gas is off.
Come on now. Yeah, this is what I was expecting out of the MiG. Lift up its head.
I don't like fire.
So I know that the MiG is, you guys definitely wanting to sell that, definitely wanting to sell the T6. The Stinson is,
It's negotiable.
is a potential. The 56 Baron is a...
It's ready to go.
Okay. This one right here, the fuel pump, we'll get that figured out. And then we'll go through it, get it an annual, you know, gear swings, all that stuff, look at the ADs and all that.
As far as warrant,
I wouldn't want to take it back apart again.
no.
I've taken a complicated plane
You don't
apart.
want-
I will not do that again if I ever have the choice.
Right.
No,
I don't-
it's a bad idea. Don't do it.
I don't.
Well, you guys will trade. I've got an Aztec. I'll trade you for that MiG.
And I'm not going to say that out loud.
Needs a little assembly required. All right. Well, okay. So, yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Definitely not. We've talked numbers already.
Thought we had a deal on 2 of them.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, and those numbers work for you guys.
Yep.
So, does that sound fair to you fellas?
Yeah, man.
I guess to seal the deal as men.
Yes, sir. What do you think about it? All righty.
Don't make me come to Florida and find you.
I'm telling you. What have I done? I don't have a tail wheel endorsement to even be able to fly the T6. I sure as heck don't have any sort of jet endorsement license, something or whatever you need for that thing. I've never even been in one in the air. We still gotta get those home. I have nowhere to put them. I'm gonna have to sell something because I don't even have the money for it. Don't, Silas, don't tell your mother. Yeah, it turns out our flight was canceled altogether. The next flight is Monday and it's Saturday afternoon. None of the other airlines had any airplanes that were going anywhere close to Tampa until Monday. Really? Plan B, if you got time to spare, go by air, we're renting a car. So it shows 12 hours and 3 minutes to go 843 miles. Life's an adventure, man. Here we go. Let's see just how close to zero we can bring it back to them. Game on. I. What animal starts with I? Silas, I spy with my little eye something black.
The sky.
Yes. It is just after 3 a.m. We made it to Florida. 162 miles to go. Hey, it's 3:10. Do you know where your airplanes are? That's funny. Even at 3 o'clock in the morning, that's still funny. It always comes down to the last little bit. 3 minutes, 3.7 miles, way below empty. I haven't heard the car sputter yet, but I'm being very, very careful with it. Also, I have to pee like crazy. I'm trying to draft behind this car here. We are in formation. Where is the rental car return? Oh, I think the car stuttered a little bit. Come on. Made it. Even if it stalls out in this lane, we made it to the lane. Made it! Way below empty. We're just gonna turn that off.